my name is Juvandy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I will be giving you another lock style video. My last lock video, or my last 10 lock hairstyles on short locks, was over a year ago and my hair was a lot shorter then. I will leave that video right here so you guys can check it out. And today we're back with fuller, thicker locks, a little bit longer, and new hairstyles, so keep watching. Number one, with two puffs, you can either put these up and away out of your face. This actually looks a bit cleaner, but you can also have two down on the side if you want. This is style number one, and let's get into the second style. The other style is a bun with some out in the back and a swoop. A variation of this will be buns. You can obviously bring them higher or lower, but I like the little bit in between. Style with a bun and a side swoop. And to spice this hairstyle up a bit, we are going to go in with a handy dandy headband, which is my favorite hair accessory. So we're just gonna go in with it, make sure it's covering those pins on the side. And this is the perfect way to hide the pins. Alright, so all we're going to do is take that bun down and add another headband, and this is your next style. Alright, and now we have the next style. We have a low bun with the swoop. And to spice this up, I love headbands and I love hair accessories, so you can always add a scarf accessory to this. And in my first video I did I did quite a few styles with scarves. So you just have your scarf, you fold it in two, and then you just wrap it near the pins. And then you go over to the front, and you can either do a tie in the front like so, or if you would like, you take it off and then you open up the scarf, and then you just put all of it over like so, covering the bun. And then you tuck, roll and tuck, and this is your other style. Alright, time for the next style. Alright, and when there's one, there's two. You can do two low ponytails. Obviously, you can go in and add your pins. Okay, next style. I have been doing this style every day for the past week. So this is my go-to ultimate favorite style. This is the final swoop bang style. So we have a side bun looking cute. Alright, now we're at the end of my swoop bang hairstyles, or updo, elegant updo, whatever you guys want to call it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everybody stay blessed. Everything is copacetic. Hit that subscribe button on your way out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! The other on your chest. We never gonna rest till everybody bless. Make sure say everybody bless. Yeah, yeah.